Which one you gonna try?
I will try
the candy, but it will be long time then. It's candy, you know. Maybe you can try some wafer or. I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get.
Oreo soft cake. Oh my god.
Yeah, soft cake. Oreo. Okay, you can try it.
Oh. So good.
How's it? It's sweet.
So with chocolate. I think have a little bit maybe vanilla, no?
I don't know. I never tried.
So good. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think with vanilla also. Inside the white things, you know. You see? You see it?
It's good.
Yeah. So how many number?
Cake. 10 Oreo.
Okay.
And we will try sagu kunyu.
Keju.
Keju.
Sagu keju. It's like keju is cheese. So it's cheese also.
Maybe in Indonesia you eat a lot of cheese, I think.
No.
Oh my god.
It's just on the snack, I think.
Coconut.
Coconut? It's not coconut, I think.
This one perfect.
It's my favorite.
It's so good. 10.
Good.
Keju cake.
So cheese again. Cheesecake. Oh, watch out.
Okay. It have cheese inside.
Like milk cheese, I think. It is.
Sweet and salty in the same time.
Well, put the extra.
It's good. I can give it like 8.
8, okay. And how about the Oreo before? I forget.
Oreo is perfect.
Oh, 10 you give, right?
10.
Yeah.
This one also is 10. I will be trying Choki.
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 So in Indonesia, see we pronounce che. Choki.
It's Barbie here.
Yeah, my favorite. So say it, choki.
Choki. Choki. It comes like this, like a stick that have chocolate.
Choki, not pookie.
Oh. I have to open this one. Okay.
I think you just need to bite it, you know, like with your teeth open. Yeah, like this.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it is chocolate, like chocolate paste.
It's like Nutella.
It is? I don't think so.
But it have like banana. Am I right?
No, I think it's just pure chocolate.
Cacao?
I don't know, I'm not sure. You can see the ingredients in the back, I think they write.
It tastes like Nutella with banana. It's good, I like it.
Yeah, if you like sweet things, so it's perfect.
Yeah.
You can eat in the cake or pudding also. Choki. And the number?
Pasta keju.
So you're gonna try it?
It has some vitamins.
Pasta keju, so cheese pass.
Vitamins is good for your body.
Which vitamin?
It has A, B1, 2, 6 and 12.
Oh, too much.
Yeah. It is actually cheese with white chocolate.
White chocolate, which
I
is...
think.
I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah, could be.
But for sure it has cheese. It's so good.
You
Oh,
like
yeah.
it?
I want more. I will take with me home.
It's my favorite also, but I forget to buy it. So, I don't know, just forget to buy it.
10.
So which one better? This one or the chocolate one? Choki choki.
No, this one.
This one better, but it's just the same, just different flavor. Oh, there is two here. Oh, I don't know. I think it's just one.
No,
It's
this is
two?
empty.
So which one? Oh, you open
I
this one.
tried this
Ah,
one,
okay.
this one.
So it's 10. Hey, good.
Pasta kuji 10.
Keju. Pasta
Keju.
keju. Yeah.
Kuji
10.
10.
Yay. And
We
then,
have some candies here.
but I think you need to try this first then,
Okay.
before candy, because candy gonna a long time.
This is Superstar Triple Chocolate Wafer Chocolate Cream. Okay. The name is Superstar. Sweet chocolate biscuit.
It's just like wafer and chocolate.
It's good. I will give it. Wait.
8? Okay, that's good.
And now I will try some candies. We have here tamarind and we have milkita.
From milk.
This one is brown color and we have milkita pink color.
Oh.
I will start with
Different flavor, I think.
I will start with tamarind.
So, tamarind, you know tamarind?
No. But I can see here that
In
there
English
is-
also tamarind, I think.
there is in the picture some sausage.
Yeah, it's tamarind.
Okay.
It's not sweet candy. How is it?
I don't know actually.
But it's not weird taste. Or?
Pineapple? No?
No. Tamarind. The picture in here, I think tamarind. You see it? The brown one?
It's good, but I don't know what's the what this tastes. I'm going to try milkita, brown color, and I think it's chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate flavor.
Let's see. It's all brown. It came like this, like caramel. It is soft.
It is?
Mm.
Ah. Oh, you can buy it. And you can chew it in.
Yes, like a chewing gum. Of chocolate.
Yeah. Chewing gum, but you can swallow.
Yeah,
Like a chewing gum, you can swallow.
yeah. So it has chocolate and milk.
Yeah.
And it's so tasty. It's good. I can for tamarind I can give it like 6,
Okay.
and this one I can give it like 8.
Okay, so much better than tamarind.
Yeah. I will be trying Milkita, pink color.
So do you know what's the flavor?
It's right here, strawberry milk candy. So have strawberry and milk.
Yeah.
The smell already, strawberry smell.
Strawberry smell.
When I open it. Okay, pink color, pink.
It's cute.
This one have like the water of flower with strawberry and milk.
White milk, I think.
10.
10.
I like it.
You can buy it also.
Yeah, perfect. Milkita milk candy.
The
This is
original
white.
one. Yeah. Just milk. Pure milk, I think.
Milk only. Sugar. It's like concentrate milk. 10. I like it.
So it's the same like strawberry, yeah?
Yeah.
You give 10.
It's
Oh,
like
you're gonna try the last food.
Lidi
Last snack, yeah.
Lidian.
Lidian. So, it's the food from me when I was
Chilling.
child. Yeah, it's spicy. Watch out. But I don't know the flavor from what the ingredients. What I know
It's
is
hot.
spicy. Yeah, it is spicy.
No way.
You cannot eat it. But you said you like spicy, so
But this one is so
too
hot.
spicy.
Oh. You have to bring here some water.
I will take it.
For the people who like chili sauce, use this one instead. Just one stick. It's enough for the day. It's good. 10.
But it's spicy.
Yeah,
You cannot
but
eat
it's
it.
10. It's perfect. For one stick, have that much of chili. It's perfect. Yeah.
Okay, so that's it.
I
Everything
hope
is
you
right.
guys like this kind of Indonesian snacks.
So actually, I hope you like it. All the
Yeah, I like
Indonesian
them.
snacks.
Actually, I like the more the thing that have cheese on it and milk and the strawberry.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and even I like this cake.
Okay, perfect. So thank you so
Yeah.
much, Kitty, to
You're
try
welcome.
all the Indonesian snacks.
Welcome.
So next time when there is Indonesian food, maybe you can try.
Yeah,
Like-
absolutely, of course.
Yeah, the real Indonesian food. And if you like spicy, I will try to make it some
Thank you
spicy
so much.
food. So thank you so much.
So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do so, hit that like button and write in the comment section what you think, what we should improve in this video, what you want in the next video, and that's all. I hope you had a great time with us, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Dadah.
Bye bye.